again. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Our vlog for today is this is it, our tomatoes. I just want to share again about this our tomatoes in here later garden sa likod ng bahay ni mother-in-law. Ayan guys, super dami na ng mga bunga at saka mga hinog guys. Halos araw-araw siya namimitas dito guys. Minsan di ko na naabutan yung mga pinitas niya. Yan, nakikita ko na lang doon sa loob ng bahay niya. Napitas niya yung mga tomato, tsaka yung cucumber. Yan, lagi namimitas ng cucumber kasi mabilis lumaki. Napakaraming bunga at mga flowers. Cucumber. Sarap ito guys kasi summer. Lagi kaming kumakain ng vegetable salad kasi napakainit, summer, and fresh from the garden. Ayan, napakaraming bunga guys, unlimited ang bunga ng mga cucumber, tsaka itong tomatoes. Sunod-sunod na sila guys, nagsisinugan. Napitas na yung mga iba. Marami pa rin mga flowers guys, saka mga bunga. Maliliit pa yung iba. Ayan. Kikita nyo itong mga cucumber. Pitas ulit. Halos everyday guys, namimitas dito. Everyday. Ayan, marami mga flowers. Ang cucumber. Super dami ng bunga guys. Ayan. Sana nandyan kayo para supportahan pa rin ang aking vlog for today. Ayan, malaki to guys. Super laki. Super laki. Hindi pa yan may lalakihan pa yan guys. Makikita nyo guys. Super laki yan dito. Super laki. At ito guys yung mga mahabang tomatoes. Hindi pa yan maliit. Maliit pa siya. Yung iba yan nag-start na siyang maghinog. Super. Thank you very much guys for always support my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Sana wag kayong magsawa. Shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa aking vlog for today. Thank you very much. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Ayan, makikita nyo. Super dami na mga bunga at saka mga hinog na yan. Thank you. Ayan guys, so super dami ng maliliit pa. Super dami ng bunga. Ayan pag lumaki yan, mabigat yan. Kaya nakatali yan guys yung mga mga tomatoes. Nakatali yan sa sa kahoy kasi mabibigat siya. Super bigat niya. Tsaka ayan guys, yung mga ibang tanim namin, ito yung chili guys Marami ng bunga. Ito yung manghang. Yung bumili kami sa tindahan guys, libre lang yan guys. Free lang yung binigay sa akin. Tapos tinanim ko. Ito guys, yung malaking onions. Malaki na siya. Tapos yung mga bell pepper guys, yung mga red pepper, green pepper, yan yung mga malaki. Tsaka yung mahaba. Ayan, ito yung yung cherry tomatoes. Maliliit yan guys. Naparaming bunga na rin guys Super dami ng bunga niyan. Nagsawa ng bunga ba? Nagsawa ng bunga. Pag may mga hinog na guys, pinipitas ko yung mga maliliit nito. Okay, yan. Maasim-asim siya guys. Maasim-asim. Daming bunga niyan guys. Unlimited din yan. Unlimited. Itasin natin ang isa. Ayan Yan. Mga next na day. Marami ng hinog yan. Ayan. Super init ngayon guys dito. May pitas tayo guys ng cucumber again. Pitas tayo ulit. Everyday pitas. It's a blessing. Ayan, nakapitas na naman ako guys ng tree. Ayan, inaabangan ko tong lumaki na lahat ng mga ano na to kasi ilalagay ko sa bote siya guys. Ilalagay ko siya sa bottle, tapos lalagyan ko ng chili, asin, tsaka bawang, suka. Ayan, kaya hinihintay ko yung lumaki talaga yung mga chili na yan, yung maanghang. Ayan, nagsihinugan na pala siya guys. Hindi pa siya masyadong hinog. Pinipitas dito guys yung mga tomato pag red na talaga siya. Ayan, nag-start na silang orange na siya. Oh, ayan. Everyday nagbabago siya guys. Everyday maraming nahihinog na. Ayan. Super. Minsan pag napakalakas ng ulan, nag-ano siya guys. Bumabagsak siya guys kasi mabigat. Kaya bawat kailangan itali siya. Kasi mabigat yung bunga niya guys. Malaki siya. Super laki ng mga tomatoes. Ito guys yung size ng tomatoes. Small, medium, large. Ayan. Ito mga size nito. Super dami. Unti-unti na silang nagsisihinugan. Ayun. Sana nandiyan pa rin kayo guys. Nandiyan pa rin kayo. Yan.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough. Maybe it's not enough,
Ayan guys, another day. Parami guys ang hinog at palaki ng palaki guys sa mga bunga. Pati ito guys na mga chili. Yung ginaabangan kong chili. Ayan guys, palaki na siya ng palaki. At saka padami ng padami. I'm excited na guys na lumaki na yan lahat at pipitasin ko na yan lahat ng mga bunga niyang chili. Iyon. Super. Thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you very much. Stay safe everyone and God bless. Thank you very much for always support my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Love you guys.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.